What's up, guys, and welcome back to my channel. Today we're doing the long-awaited Fabfitfun spring box. I know people have been knocking my door down asking me to do this video like crazy. So anyway, this is the Fabfitfun spring box, okay? The theme this month is metamorphosis, which I am very on trend with because I got some new hair extensions, if you can tell. You know what, the more I look at them, I'm like, okay, not so bad. They definitely like don't match. Do they match? No. Do they look good? I don't know. These are from Glam Seamless, and they're the Halo extensions. I got them in Platinum Blonde because somebody was roasting me so bad because my other extensions didn't match, and now these like kind of don't match, but anyway, let's get into the video. I partner with Fabfitfun for every single box, so if you get the box too and you like to see what other people get, I get the box every single month. Am I like, can I speak today? What is something okay? Like, am I not doing okay or something? I don't know. But I get the box, so I open up every single one. So it comes seasonally. And this is the spring box, like I said. So it comes out summer, spring, fall, winter. You get full-size fashion, beauty, and lifestyle products. Or I was able to customize almost every single thing in this box, and I'm freaking psyched about it because I'm never disappointed because members get to customize like pretty much everything they get. So I'm never disappointed in that way. I always know that I'm gonna get something that I want because I chose it. You know what I'm saying? It's not the same with other boxes. So let's get into this. It always comes with a little magazine, and it'll show us our, oh, look at the inside of this box. Come on, guys. I know a lot of people too, I've been seeing some crafters, and they keep their box, but come on. Hold on, let me just say something first. What other box comes this big? And by the way, this is $49.99 per box, but you can get $10 off using my code, which is Kiki, on your first box. Me and my grandma are both members, and we're loving it. Quite simply, we're loving it. The other day, I saw her. It was my sister's birthday, and we were all out. We were at Chili's, baby back ribs, and just kidding about saying that. Yeah, we were at Chili's, and she goes like this, and she had these like hand warmers on, and she goes, Fabfitfun. So anyway, that was like a 4 out of 10 story. Not very good, but we will work on that later. Okay, so here's the page that I always turn to because this tells us everything, like all the retail prices. So I always like to go through and tell you what the prices on these things are. So we're gonna do that right now. And don't worry, I'm wearing a pajama shirt, and I am also wearing a heated blanket, so just don't worry, because I knew you guys were worried about if I was comfortable enough while I'm doing my job. So yes, I am, don't worry. Okay, first thing out of the box, I remember choosing this. This was actually this was probably the best choice. Like, it really, you should have chose this if you could choose. This is a double coin necklace from Amber Seats. I don't know how you say that name, but this retails for $50, a detailed coin design and gold colored chains. So I chose this because I love this. This is so, I'm noticing that Fabfitfun's becoming more kind of, I don't know, they're kind of like boho a little bit. Like, I don't know. I like the way they're going. I'm just gonna say that right now. So let's put this on because why would we not put it on? Like, I really want to put this on. 45 minutes later, because my nails kept getting in the way, there is the necklace right there. I freaking love it. This would be cute if I wasn't wearing like some frumpy ass sweatshirt, but the show must go on. Next thing we got, this I am pumped about because this relates to my New York trip. I also customized this. So this only retails for $15, but I don't know where you would even buy something like this, so I'm glad to get it in the box. But this right here is a silicone straws set. So looks like that. This is the brand if you want to pick it up. Outside of that, Chic and Tonic, cute name. So these are all the straws, and it comes with like a little cleaner too. And what I like is that it also comes with a travel portable little case, so you could throw them in your purse. So here's what I'm plotting, okay? Because I am already planning my yearly New York trip. This year I want to make it, my goal is to do New York twice because I love New York so much and it's my favorite place in the entire world. But I wanna go, look at me. I wanna go. Every time I'm in New York City, somebody hands me a drink with one of those nasty paper straws that just sog up in your drink and you can't even get stuff through it without tasting cardboard. Do you know what I'm talking about? It's like, just don't even bring me one. Just don't even put that in my drink. I understand the ecological, you know, I understand, but please don't put a paper straw in my drink. I'm sick of it. So anyway, this is my solution. I'm so excited. I'm gonna put this in my purse. And here's the other thing, okay? I'm doing a express haul later, but I got the most gorgeous little purse. It's so cute, I love it so much. And I'm always looking for cute little trinkets to go in my purse. It's an obsession. All I do is sit on Amazon and I'm like, what would be a cute trinket to put in my purse? It's stupid, but I have to do it. It's like a compulsion of mine. Let's open this little thingy up. I love that this is a traveling case. It's so cute. So yeah, you just like put it like this. Wait, how the hell does it go? I think you have to like, these are extra bendy. You know why I love silicone too? Because I heard this statistic once. Look at that. I heard the statistic once that bacteria can't grow on silicone, so it makes me feel even better about it. But I just love these, and they're so cute. These colors are so cute. So anyway, that is exciting. I remember picking this out with joy in my heart as I did it, and I'm very, very excited, and this will be going in my purse. And you know what? I'm really itching to do another what's in my bag video. I just am. So anyway, got that. Love to see it. Next thing, people, we gotta keep it moving here. So I picked out then this is the Aria Beauty Luxe Detangling Electroplated Brush. Perfect for all hair types, and extended bristles offer easy detangling and reduced stress of hair and scalp. Okay, so here's the brush. Gorgeous flat brush. There's my like really bad setup. Oh, and yeah, hold on, can you see this in the mirror? Right here, I'm watching Call of Duty. And I just got exposed by my own hairbrush. So anyway, let's try it out on my new extensions. Ooh, ah, yes, very gorgeous. Here is this is a big boy, okay? This is like the main poncho. This is called the Donny Ribbed Sweater Coat. It's a transition in the spring with a relaxed cardigan that complements all shapes and sizes. Okay, cool. This retails for $99, and the other choices you had were really good too, so this was a hard decision, but I ultimately went with this because I thought it was kind of cute, like this cardigan thingy. Okay, maybe I should get up and put it on and stop being lazy. This is not gonna really look good, I don't think, with what I'm wearing, but you know, we'll still put it on because I'm committed now that I've already stood up. So that's cute. I mean, it would look cute if I wasn't wearing this. Like, come on, guys. I'm making a mockery of this company right now. I love these kind of pockets, these, because you can just drop something in, like your phone, and you're just like this. And you just go like this, and like that, and like that. Really cute. I mean, like, yeah, did I make it look good? No. Are people gonna wanna buy it after seeing it on me? No. But are we gonna have to keep moving on? Yes. Anyway, I think it's cute. I'll find a way to incorporate that into my wardrobe somehow, I assume. Here's the next thing that we got. I think that this is something that everyone gets, or maybe not. Oh no, this is not something everybody gets. I guess I chose this. This is the Fierce Flicks from Ciate liner. This retails for $19. It's a fine point tip. I thought this packaging was so cute. It's like this chrome, a lot of chrome in here. And you know, you can never have enough. Never have enough liners, okay? So I wanted to get like one makeup item, you know, just to try it out. I like Ciate. They have good stuff. So there we go, boys. What do you think? There's the line. Does it look like a line to you? Okay, so here's another biggie, okay? This retails for $78. This is the Murad Rapid Collagen Infusion. Pretty sure it's their serum. So it's formulated with collagen, amino acids. Treatment will visibly minimize the look of lines and wrinkles. So this is from Murad, or Murad, I don't know how to say it. I've never tried Murad products, And ever since I worked at Sephora, I have been wanting to try them. This is kind of a good way to get expensive skincare, is through these kind of boxes. And a girl that I used to work with when I was there, she was also an esthetician, and she went to esthetician school and all that stuff, and she said that this is like the one brand that she would buy. I mean, I don't know. I just wanted to try it. So anyway, Resurgence Rapid Collagen Infusion. If you've tried Murad products, let me know. It says that it's a fast acting treatment, helps reduce the appearance of wrinkles immediately. Oh, I don't know about that, but anyway, I picked this out, and there was a lot of other good options also besides this one, so I wanted the Murad though, because I just thought it'd be interesting. So anyway, we also got this. This is the Wish Blue Matcha Restoring Mask, and this retails for $58. Purifies stressed skin and evens out pH balance. So Wish, I never tried this brand, Wish. I know I chose this, but it's paraben-free, sulfate-free, cruelty-free. Okay, anyway. Oh, ooh, it smells good. Huh. Oh wow, that smells good. Oh, it smells good. It smells like cucumber. Ooh, yeah. I like that stuff. Oh, I love this smell. Oh, dude, that smells like a Jamba Juice, like when you walk into Jamba Juice. And it smells just like herbs, like an herb grass and like oranges. What? I did not expect this to smell like that. Yum. Deeply moisturizes, deeply soothes. Wait, what? Leave on until blue is completely faded. Okay, cool. So I'm very excited about this actually, because before I was like, don't care. But that was like the one thing in the box where I didn't care about it. But now that I smelled it, I kind of care a little bit more. I'm not gonna lie. Okay, and then finally we have the Winky Lux Rainbow Balm, and I chose this. This retails for $18, and give your tip lips a just-been-kissed flush of color with this tinted and pH hybrid balm. Okay, so this is one of those things that adjusts to your pH level, and it tints a little bit. Look at that. Cute. I like Winky Lux balms. They're really cute. I got one 2 years ago. I bought one from, I think, the now out of business Riley Rose. But I bought it was like a glittery balm. It was really cute. So anyway, the Winky Lux. I like Winky Lux stuff. And I like little balms. You can just throw it in your purse. Oh, that's another little trinket I can throw in my purse. Just like that. So anyway, yeah, that's everything that I got in my box. I love everything I got. I'm excited. I'm happy about it. I love my little things. I don't know. I think I'm honestly most excited about the least expensive thing in this box, but these silicone straws. And I think it's just because I'm excited for my New York trip. So anyway, yeah, that's everything that I got. I'm very excited. Loved everything I got, obviously, because I chose it. So let me know what you guys got in your box. If you are signed up for the Fabfitfun boxes, I would love to know. Did we get the same exact stuff? What did you choose? I want to know. Don't forget, if you want to sign up, you can get $10 off your first box, which will make it $39.99 using my code Kiki. I'll have a link down below where you can sign up. It's really easy. It's fun. It's a community. I hope that if you can, that you sign up, because it's just a lot of fun and it's fun. It feels like Christmas. You're like, ooh, because there's nothing going, you know what I love about it? I love about this spring box especially is like, there's nothing going on during this time of the year for me. I'm just waiting till like April and May. That's like when my life starts again. So it's nice to get like a box of something out of nowhere. You're just like, thank you. Something is going on this month for me. Anyway, I hope you guys enjoyed this video. Leave a like, subscribe for more Fabfitfun videos, and I will see you in my next video.